Good morning, student. Today I am going to deliver the lecture on paper third. In paper third, there is a chapter first is comparative embryology. In the comparative embryology, you know the very well definition of embryology is the branch of biology and medicine concerned with the study of embryos and their development of eggs. That is known as the embryology. And basically we are going to study in a definition by the Greek. It is embryon, the unborn, that is embryo. Okay, and it is a branch of biology that deals and study the prenatal development of gametes, that is sex cells, fertilizations and development of the embryos and fetuses is known as the embryology. So in this topic we know the objectives to acquaint the learner with key concept of embryology, and the students will be able to understand the comparative study of different pre-embryonic stages and different types of the placenta. So in the comparative embryology, the types of eggs which are based on and which are classified according to the amount or distribution of the yolk, and this egg arranged into the following stages, and mainly there are 4 stages of the eggs. First one is eulacithals, second one is oligolacithal, third mesolacithals and fourth is polylacithals. म्हणजे एग्समध्ये कोणकोणते टाईप्स असतात आणि ते एग्स कशा प्रकारे असते. म्हणजे आपण जर एक्झाम्पल जर बघितलं तर एग्स हेनचं एग कशा प्रकारे आहे हे आपल्याला माहीत आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही जर बघितलं स्पॅरोचं एग, दे आर ऑल्सो डिफरंट. अँड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी in their very microscopic level animals of their studies, it is also there are difference. Okay, so for example, the mesolacetal, it is a moderate amount of egg, mesolacethals. and mesolacetal eggs मध्ये आपण जर बघितलं तर फिशचे जे एग्ज असतात ते मॉडरेट एग्ज असतात, त्याला आपण मॉडरेट अमाऊंट ऑफ एग्ज म्हणतो. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर फर्स्ट आहे एulacithals विथाऊट योक, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये योग जो असतो तो ॲब्सेंट असते. त्याच्यानंतर ओलिगोलेसिथल्स स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ योग, मेझोलेसिथल मॉडरेट अँड पॉलिलेसिथल्स इज ए लार्ज अमाऊंट ऑफ एग्स विच आर प्रेझेंट्स इन द एग्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट the eggs classified according to the amount or distribution of yolk, and they are arranged at the following stages. We are going to see the details about the types of eggs, that is eulacithal, that is a without yolk, and this eulacithal egg is characterized by its negligible amount of yolk. It is a presence of the yolk is the negligible, and the placenta is a union material and fetus tissues. Okay, and the example is the amphioxus, म्हणजे जे amphioxus animals आहे त्याचे एग्स eulacithals असतात. oligolacithals आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये स्मॉल अमाऊंट आहे. ओके, सॉरी, eulacithals मॅमल्स ग्रुपमध्ये मोडते, ओलिगोलेसिथल्समध्ये अम्फॅक्सिस, मेझोलेसिथल्समध्ये मॉडरेट म्हणजे टोड असेल, फिश असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये डिप्नॉय फिश वगैरे आहे, ते एक्झाम्पल आपण मेझोलेसिथल्समध्ये मोडतात. आणि पॉलिलेसिथल्स म्हणजे काय, तर विच आर फाउंड इन ए लार्ज अमाऊंट ऑफ योक. फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू कॅन से द बर्ड, म्हणजे प्रत्येक पक्ष्यांच्या एग्जमध्ये योक हे लार्ज अमाऊंटनी प्रेझेंट असतात. So according to the distribution of yolk, the homolacethals, the yolk equally distributed throughout the cytoplasm, म्हणजे त्या एग्समध्ये थ्रूआउट दी सायटोप्लाझम्स असते. आणि त्याचं एक्झाम्पल जर बघितलं आपण तर ते एक्झाम्पल कोणतं आहे? ॲम्फॅक्सिस. सेकंड, सेंट्रोलेसिथल्स, द yolk concentrated in a net like structure around the nucleus, एक्झाम्पल इन्सेक्ट्स, म्हणजे जे इन्सेक्ट्स आहे किंवा इन्सेक्टचे एग्ज आहे ते इन्सेक्टचे एग्ज आपल्याला या सेंट्रोलेसिथल्समध्ये प्रेझेंट असतात. थर्ड आहे टिलोलेसिथल्स. टिलोलेसिथल्स also they are the play an important role for their development of the yolk, and these deposited in vegetal pole light tilolecital type with moderate amount of yolk, and example is the toad. Okay, and it is a heavy alecithals or tilolecital type with large amount of yolk, example is the bird. Next, how will you characterize and define the structure of yolk? Structure of yolk is, so you can see it is a schematic diagram of the chicken egg. You can see this type of the egg which are present the egg shell, then outer membrane, inner membrane. This outer membrane which are present the carapace of the body of their eggs, and inner membrane, in the inner membrane they are present their albumins, and this middle albumins it is known as the inner thick albumins and the vitelline membranes. And this type of the this germinal disc, that is blastoderm, this blastoderm which are present in the nearby the yellow sac and white sac, yellow sac and white sac. And this air cell also they are present. Air cell is also important for their the structure of the eggs. And basically these eggs which are found in a moderately amount of eggs in a large amount of yolk association with their the birds animals. So you can see this macrolecithals and tilolecithals eggs, the nucleus how it is present in the eggs, then corona radiata and zona pellucida, the outer layer of the body. The zona pellucida is important for their safety and covering of their structure of the eggs. You can see this eggs how it is shows that this is the first one. A is the microlecithals and isolecithals eggs. Then second one is B, that is mesolecithals and tilolecithals eggs, how it is defined it. C is polylecithals and centrolecythal eggs, and D is macrolecithals and tilolecithals eggs. Basically this macrolecithals eggs which are present in there and in intermediate with the regulate eggs, and they are these eggs which development potentialities for different organs of future embryo are not predetermined. And also the macrolecithals and tilolecithals eggs contains large amount of yolk as compared to the other stages of the eggs. And these terrestrial animals like reptiles, birds, some mammals lay eggs with huge amount of yolk, and this ensures a complete growth of embryo inside the egg it's before it's hatch out the animals. So due to that, this large amount of yolk, the cleavages is of meroblastic eggs, example bony fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and the monotremes egg laying mammals. Next, so you can see this is the types of, mainly three types of the, already we have discussed this, but you can observe it, these types of eggs, and they are showing the diagram, the isolecithals, telolecithals and centrolecithals eggs, how it is shows there. Okay. These isolecithals with more or less evenly distributed yolk, example Amphiaxis. The telolecithals eggs, that is example is the Mollusca, Apelacea, Limacina, and the centrolecithals is the insects, eggs of the insects. Next is types of protein present in egg white and egg yellow. Types of protein of how it is present in the egg. It is important, you know, this mainly most of the proteins they are present in the eggs, and definitely this protein also they are beneficial to the peoples. So that this egg white, the egg white consists of about 90% water, in which about 10% of proteins is dissolved. Only the 90% water which are present in the eggs, and only 10% of proteins present in the egg albumins. And the egg white is an alkaline solution. The egg is the alkaline solution, and this type of the alkaline solution which are contain approximately 40% of the different proteins present in the egg white, and an average 17 gram yolk contains the 2.7 egg proteins which are present in the birds. Okay, and this means that the protein in the yolk makes up 17% of its weight. म्हणजे योगचं जे वजन असते त्या एग्समध्ये ते जवळपास 17% असते. अँड दी एग प्रोटीन इज द हायेस्ट बायोलॉजिकल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ऑल द ॲनिमल सोर्सेस, अँड meaning your body can use more of the amino acids provided by the eggs. Similarly, proteins and amino acids they are present in their eggs and the egg white eggs. Okay, and you know that this egg is standard breakfast fare, but many people may be wondering whether egg are healthy. At just 78 calories each, eggs are an efficient rich source of protein and vitamins. A large egg contains about 6 grams of proteins present in the egg, and eggs are an excellent source of protein with a single large egg containing 6 grams of its, and egg also contain all the essential amino acids in the right ratios. Okay, so that this is the beneficials from the white eggs, and a few number of eggs also they are bad, because you know 185 milligrams of cholesterol also they are present in the albumins of the eggs, and all of it contain the yolk had the same more is worst effect to the peoples. So that this is the types of eggs which are found in the microlecithal, telolecithals, alecithals, okay, and centrolecithals. So this is the types of eggs we have seen in this lecture. Okay, thank you.